All right, this is going over chapter 13, number 3, this optional one where you've got to draw these triangles. One of the flaws I realized in this, I probably should have given you some code that allow you to draw some stuff. So if you're working on this one and need help drawing stuff, let me know. I'll send you a few code files. Um, so anyways, what I'm going to send you is there's something called like a canvas, which has a bunch of methods um, that lets you draw different things. So if you look in here, let's see, what the heck? You can set the ink color, get the ink color, yeah, erase, what the heck? Okay, so you can draw an image, like I think like a actual um, like image from the internet. You can write a string on there, like some text. Um, you can erase the string, you can draw a line, and this is the one you're going to be using here. So you're going to draw the line and you're going to specify like the x, y coordinates. So like this would be the starting xy coordinates and this would be the ending xy, right? You can also draw rectangles, all that kind of stuff by just calling the different methods. So I think when I did this, I'll also send you this runner, which has some code that built a frame. So what a J-frame is, is this frame you see here with the like little options up here, and then all of that. That's the J-frame. And then there's a canvas inside of here, and you're just going to draw on the canvas. Okay, so this code just makes the J-frame, sets its size, sets the title along the top of it, triangle fractal up there. Um, and then just does a few other things, sets it visible, blah 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 blah. You really don't have to know what you need to do here, I guess. So then let's see, J component. Oh, so I had to draw this, a triangle. Sorry, I'm looking through my code here. What the heck is this? Draw a triangle. Oh, so this must be where I put all my code by the look of it. Um, so yeah. All right, so maybe you could go in here and start in this paint component. You could make a draw triangle, which would draw the first triangle using this graphics object. So you would have like a starting XY position, which looks like I just did 0 and then the max dimension. And then there's the side length of the triangle. So um, anyways, then I have a bunch of like calculations inside of here, and then I'm going to recall it. So anyways, I'll send all this code with the video. Um, okay, and again, I think you would just need to change this paint component here would be my guess. All right, so just another thing about the canvas and the painting. So normally we have like an XY coordinate plane, but in Java, your canvas, how it works with the coordinates is if this top part, sorry, this spot 0, 0, and then I think I made the canvas go to 500 or something. So this spot would have an X of 500 and a Y of 0. So we just went over 500. And then the goofy part is on the Y axis, normally when you go up, that's positive. But in Java, this is sort of the starting spot, and then you get positive as you go down. So that this spot down here actually has X of 0, but now Y is 500. So as you move down, here'd be like Y of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, or whatever, right? So Y gets bigger as you go down, and X gets bigger as you go to the right, which is normal. The X part's normal, the Y part's a little bit different. Okay, so that if we call that draw line, maybe if I call draw line, I'm not going to write it all out, but then I did, let's say 50, 100, and then I did like 200 and I don't know, 500. That's going to draw a line. So this is your starting XY. So that would be at X of 50, Y of 100. So it would be about right there. And then this is your XY ending. So the X would be 200 and the Y would be 500. So it'd be way down here. And so that would draw a line like that. Okay, so when you do this program, right, when you do a triangle, it's just going to be 3 lines. And so you kind of got to figure out where to draw those 3 lines initially and then call it recursively. right? And I think what I ended up messing me up on this one is I think I ended up doing like up and down triangles. So like I considered this one an up triangle, and then this one was like a down triangle. And then I can't remember. I think I do all down triangles from there. I think. Yeah, I think I do all down triangles actually. So if you draw the first one as an up triangle and then draw all of them like that inside of there, I think that would work. So you just gotta like calculate, like basically I would do draw triangle based on these 3 points and then call another draw triangle based on those 3 and then call another draw triangle based on those 3, draw triangle based on those 3, draw triangle based on those 3. And it's a little goofy because I think recursively you have to call it 3 times actually. Like after I draw these first 2 triangles, then I think they need to draw one inside of here, one inside of here, and then one inside of here too. So that's kind of part of the tricky part, but you can draw all the lines by doing that draw line method that's part of the canvas. So hopefully that gives you a start on it. Sorry, it's so confusing, but yeah, thanks for asking and let me know if you need anything else.